Okay, this is the Riverboat Noah's Ark, built in 1929, and it carried passengers up and down these rivers, and I'm assuming the Ocklawaha as well. But we're right on the St. John's. We're in Palatka. It's being restored, and I'm not sure where they are in that process. But there's a big old fence right here, so you can't get through it or around it or over it or anything. Well, I'm not gonna jump the fence, but so you can't really see much of it, but what you can see is pretty doggone amazing. So yeah, it looks just like the pictures, only smaller than what I thought it would be, but still.